The first messaging dApp on the EOS EVM. Recently, the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, was launched on the EOS blockchain, allowing all smart contracts developed for the Ethereum blockchain to be integrated into this EVM going forward. Specifically, the EOS EVM allows transactions on the EVM that run on the EOS blockchain, providing various advantages, such as using EOS crypto and achieving unprecedented speed. For comparison, the EOS EVM is 4 times faster than Solana and 25 times faster than Avalanche. Developing on the EOS EVM. Developing on this EVM is relatively simple, as the only additions required are related to the EOS EVM network. Using Truffle. Using Hard Hat. To deploy the smart contract, which involves loading all the code into the blockchain, we can use the convenient remix IDE, selecting the injected provider, MetaMask environment. All that is required is the smart contract file, .sol, the file configuring the network, truffleconfig.js or hardhat.config.js. And I'd like Remix and EOS to pay the fees. Those who want to use the EOS EVM mainnet can transfer EOS with a convenient bridge. A complete map of all the tools and various dApps already developed and available can be found at this address, created by the Hoken tech team. EOS Chat App. Considering that the startup Hoken Tech dedicates time and resources to research and development, they have decided to develop and test this new EVM. As the first pilot project on the EOS EVM testnet, they have created an on-chain messaging application. As we can see, the interface is simple with the classic buttons we find in any messaging application. However, in this case, messages are recorded on the blockchain and sent to the recipient's address. Clicking the plus new chat button allows us to add a friend by simply adding their address, and then we can add their name as if it were the phone book. How to send on-chain messages. Once we have connected to the dApp address, we simply need to connect the MetaMask wallet, add our friend, and send the text message we want to send. Then, click the send button and confirm the transaction with the wallet, paying the related EOS EVM network fee. Once the transaction is confirmed, simply click the refresh button to see the sent message. Advantages of on-chain messages. As we have seen previously, it is relatively easy to send an on-chain message to anyone. Moreover, as messages are recorded on the blockchain, we can retrieve the entire history of our conversations with our friends. This is very useful from an anti-censorship perspective, as no one can censor that message or information, as well as the previous messages, effectively keeping an indelible record of what was written up to that point. Furthermore, although it is true that in this example, messages are not end-to-end encrypted, E2E, i.e., only the receiver can read them, the smart contract acts as an anonymous intermediary and takes clear messages as input and then delivers them to the recipient without showing their address. Anyone trying to understand the conversation will only have limited information about the communication, and they will not know the recipient or what the recipient responded with. The future of the EOS EVM. We are only at the beginning of this new era for the EOS blockchain, where once again, it has surpassed the competition and positioned itself first in the best EVM landscape, surpassing other more prestigious blockchains. With this example, Hoken Tech has demonstrated its commitment and contribution to this blockchain and is already developing other smart contracts and solutions that one day everyone can use. As decentralized finance, DeFi, is already taking hold on this EVM with the emergence of several projects ready to intercept significant volumes. Thanks in part to the minuscule fees found on this EVM that uses EOS crypto as